Okay.
Sienna, look at Mommy. Can you say somebody? Say somebody. Hey, give me that back. Say somebody. Is there somebody at the door? Is somebody here?
No.
No?
Wait.
Who knocks at the door?
Wait.
Who's Monty?
Mommy. Bye-bye.
Monty went bye-bye?
No. Dada.
Dada went bye-bye?
No.
No?
Oh, yeah, money.
Oh, Monty. Monty went bye-bye?
No, money. Bye-bye.
Huh? Can you say Adriana?
No.
Can you say Adriana?
No.
What's this?
Wait.
What is it? Tell Mommy what it is. No, say it. What is it? What is this? Who? Who's it for?
Oh. Beto.
Beto.
Mommy.
Look, she's sitting for you.
Beto.
Oh, are you sneezing? Bless you. Sienna, can you say help me?
Mommy. Beto. Oh, no.
What's the uh-oh? Sienna, look at Mommy. Can you say all done?
Dada.
Can you say down?
Dog.
Can you say Coco?
Dada.
Do you want some coffee? Do you want some cocoa? Can you say water? Well, Sienna, you dropped it. Stop. Stop. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Sienna. Sienna Rose. Can you say Appa?
Apple.
Good job. Love you.